Van Nuys Tower, flight jet 653 is on the ILS Zulu.
Flight jet 653, Van Nuys Tower, wind calm, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, flight jet 653.
Air block 10, runway 16 right, full length, left and wait, traffic on a 4 mile right base, speed up.
16 right, brought up, wait, aero block 10.
Flight jet 653, left turn when able, traffic in position, traffic turning final. Taxi to net jet, correction, flex jet via Bravo, good day.
Flex jet via Bravo, flight jet 653.
This is 74 Juliet, turn left 40 degrees, that's 40, actually turn left crosswind. So this is 74 Juliet, turn left crosswind.
Turning left crosswind, 74 Juliet.
Gulfstream 0 Victor Charlie, traffic on the upwind Cessna, they will offset for you, wind 1203, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, 16 right, 1 Victor Charlie.
Check 30 Foxtrot, cautionary turbines for Gulfstream departing the parallel. Wind call, runway 16 left at Delta, clear for takeoff.
16 left, clear for takeoff, that's Delta for 30 Foxtrot.
Flight 21, Van Nuys Tower, multiple aircraft in the east pattern, a point about to get close, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Runway 16 right, clear to land, flight 21.
Gulfstream 0 Victor Charlie, contact SoCal departure 124.6, good day.
124.6, good day, 0 Victor Charlie.
This is 74 Juliet, Gulfstream inbound to the parallel, cautionary turbulence.
Looking for traffic, 74 Jet.
Strict 30 Foxtrot, squawk 0271, number 2, Cessna down needs to be in the numbers, correction number 3, Cessna down needs to be in the numbers, runway 16 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, 16 left, clear for the option, 0271 for the squawk, 30 Fox. Tower 751, Echo Delta's ready to go.
751 Echo Delta, Van Nuys Tower, working on your release. Flight 21, turn left to right, taxiway, Papa, ground point 7, good day.
Okay, we'll turn right here, Papa, ground point 7, flight 21, good day.
Citation 1 Echo Delta, traffic on the upwind Duke will be departing to the north. He'll turn westbound shortly. Wind variable at 4, runway 16 right, full length. Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, 751 Echo Delta.
Duke 48 Foxtrot, remain west of final. So you got several aircraft inbound from the north. If you want flight following, SoCal to the north is 120.4. The Cessna heading to your left, no factor.
Traffic and 120.4, 48 Fox, thank you.
Citation 1 Echo Delta, contact SoCal departure, take care.
Departure, 1 Echo Delta today.
Number 54 Tango, if you haven't already, start the westbound turn.
We're making a right crosswind departure, 54 Tango.
Exit 545 Van Nuys Tower. Wind 120 at 4. Runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
16 right, clear for takeoff, exit 545. Tower, Gulfstream 955, Mike Bravo, 3 mile final, 16 right.
Gulfstream 955, Mike Bravo, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, 5 Mike Bravo.
It's a Jet 545, contact SoCal departure 124.68.
Going to departure, exit 545.
Yeah, Tower 537 Hotel Foxtrot, we can wake turbulence if you let us offset to the left. We're going to be making left traffic.
Number 537 Hotel Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, roger. Confirm you're holding short, running 16 right at Delta.
That's affirmative, sir. 16 right, holding short at Delta.
7 Hotel Foxtrot, roger. Number 537 Hotel Foxtrot at Delta, cross runway 16 right, hold short, runway 16 left.
Crossing 16 right, holding short at 16 left, 7 Hotel Foxtrot.
We're 955 Mike Bravo, stay parking.
Going to Clay Lacey.
955 Mike Bravo, turn left to Papa and contact ground point 7.
Papa, ground point 7, 5 Mike Bravo.
529 Juliet, say your departure request.
We'll be doing left cross on departure 98 Juliet.
98 Juliet, roger. Jet Edge 80, runway 16 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 16 right, Edge 80.
Check 0 Code Foxtrot, turn 5 degrees right, jet departing the parallel, correction, jet departing behind you.
Turning 10 degrees right, 310 Foxtrot.
Jet Edge 80, wind 16 at 4, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, clear for takeoff, 16 right, Edge 80.
Echo Foxtrot traffic, heading to your right, helicopter northbound indicates 1,400.
Looking for traffic. Oh, traffic in sight, Zero Echo Foxtrot.
Jet Edge 80 traffic, 1 o'clock, mile and a half southbound, Cherokee Alpha indicates 2,000, contact SoCal departure.
Traffic inside, going to SoCal, Edge 80.
Challenger 26 Juliet Echo, Van Nuys Tower, Delta cross runway 16 left, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
All right, cross 16 left at Delta, clear for takeoff, 16 right, Challenger 26 Juliet Echo.
Cherokee 0 Echo Foxtrot, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Extending downwind, you'll call my base, 0 Echo Foxtrot.
Cherokee 0 Echo Foxtrot, change to runway 16 left, the other tower will call your turn, contact Van Nuys Tower 120.2.
120.2, 0 Echo Foxtrot, thank you.
For 5298 Juliet, runway 16 right, line up and wait.
16 right, line up and wait, 5298 Juliet.
Challenger 6 Juliet Echo, contact SoCal departure.
Over to departure, 26 Juliet Echo.
Code 45 Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 right, code 45.
Cherokee 30 Foxtrot, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal for 30 Fox, see ya.
For 233 Mike Echo, turn to 15 degrees to the left, vectors for spacing.
Yep.
Code 45, turn left or right at Quebec, expedite, traffic a mile in trail, and contact ground point 7.
Okay, hustling off at Quebec, and we're going to temperature code 45.
Cessna 01 Lima, turn right 20 degrees, jet departing behind you.
Right, 20 degrees, 01 Lima.
Falcon 2511 Bravo, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, full length, 2501 Bravo. Tower Malibu 31 Bravo X-ray, holding short 16 right at Charlie, IFR, John Wayne, Orange County.
Malibu 31 Bravo X-ray, Van Nuys Tower, roger, got you on the list, standby. Falcon 11 Bravo, traffic, heading to your right, altitude indicates 1,300, helicopter northbound, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal, thank you.
Challenger 7 Hotel Charlie, runway 16 right, clear to land, site parking.
Go to land, 16 right, we're going to do customs at Signature West.
Roger. 459 X-ray, squawk 0230.
0230,
Tower, Black 50 with you.
Here, Black 50, Van Nuys Tower, got you on the list. Number 2 for your direction of flight, waiting release from SoCal.
Thank you, sir.
417 Hotel Charlie, turn right when able and contact ground point 7.
All right, right when able, ground point 7, 417 Hotel Charlie, with you.
Portrait 4015, Van Nuys Tower, squawk 0252, make straight in for runway 16 left.
Squawk 0252, straight in for 16 left, 84015.
Exit 68, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, take 68.
Citation 5, Foxtrot Charlie, runway 16 right, clear to land, traffic 11 o'clock, mile and a half left, base of the parallel runway Cessna.
All right, 16 right, clear to land, traffic in sight, 5 Foxtrot Charlie.
Number 908 Juliet, eastbound turn approved.
Eastbound turn approved, 908 Juliet.
Exit 68, contact SoCal departure.
Departure, just okay, good day.
Flex Jet 409er, Van Nuys Tower, Delta, cross runway 16 left, runway 16 right, back taxi to the full length, runway 16 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Okay, we're going to cross the left and back taxi to full length on 16 right, Flex Jet 409.
Flex Jet 409er, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
All right, clear for takeoff on 16 right, Flex Jet 409.
Tower November 5630 Fox, holding short 16 right at Charlie in sequence for right cross on departure.
Cherokee 5630 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, roger, your number 4 for VFR departure. Flex Jet 409er, contact SoCal departure.
All right, we're switching, Flex Jet 409.
Gulfstream 18 Whiskey Romeo, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, cleared to land.
Runway 16 right, clear to land, 88 Whiskey Romeo.
Runway 26, contact Van Nuys Tower 120.2.
120.2, 826.
Tower 04 Hotel is on a right base for 16 right, requesting a low approach.
04 Hotel, number 2, caution make turbulence, runway 16 right, cleared low approach.
Cleared low approach, runway 16 right, 04 Hotel.
Gulfstream 8 Whiskey Romeo, turn left or right at Papa and contact ground point 7.
This is D33 Mike Echo Van Nuys Tower. Traffic tester departing to right downward departure. It's flood basin right crossing approved. Wind calm. Runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 16 right, watching the traffic, 33 Mike Echo.